Hi everyone. I miss you guys. It looks very difficult to see you again, and allow me to speak in Arabic a little bit for a few seconds, because I don't know if everyone knows about our Islam holy month, Ramadan. It's called Ramadan, and this is a very important month during the year. We fast in it from the sunrise till sundown, which actually is not that difficult. No water, you fast totally, no water, no food, nothing. It's very healthy. Even now lots of diet go through the same kind of diet. So it's a start today, it's the first day today, and of course, as everybody knows, that I am Egyptian and I am Muslim, and I'm so proud for being Muslim. So this is a very important month for us. Allow me to speak in Arabic to my all Arabic and Muslim people around the world. And it's sad that I cannot be with my family. Last year we were there, and I think the year before I tried to be there every year, because it tastes different, and especially in Egypt. If you ever know anybody Arabic, they will tell you Ramadan in Egypt is totally different than anywhere else in the whole world. Not because I'm biased, I am biased a little bit, but yeah, it's totally different with friends. But anyway, this is what we are now, where we are now, and I hope everybody safe. And wait with me till I will speak in Arabic for a bit, and I'll come back to you because I have an unboxing too. Okay, كل سنة وانتم طيبين يا رب، يا رب في أحسن صحة وفي أحسن يا رب في أحسن سعادة، ورمضان كريم على المسلمين وعلى العرب كلهم. ويا رب يكون الكورونا فيروس دي خلتنا نتغير شوية ونرجع للإسلام الصحيح. هدينا معاملة أيا كان معاملتك كويسة، ده عند ربنا بالدنيا. للأسف أنا مش في مصر، مش مع أهلي، أنا وجوزي هنا لوحدينا في هيوستن، بس قلبي معاهم، ولسه كنت مكلماهم دلوقتي اطمن عليهم وعايد عليهم، وبعتولي السفرة اللي هي على رأي تامر أمين. أنا مش عارفة ايه علاقة الرقاق والمحشي، لازم يبقى موجودين، بس احنا عندنا الشعرية بالمكسرات كمان، وكان عندنا بط، أو هم كان عندهم بط. كلمت بابي ومامي وأختي وبنات أختي الطعمين. كان نفسي نبقى معاهم، بس اهو الظروف. المهم انكم يا رب تتبسطوا، يبقى شهر كريم علينا وعلى المسلمين اجمعين، نحب بعض اكتر وناخد بالنا من بعض اكتر، ومحدش يخرج من المصريين بره. شوفوا ده، لما بتفرج على التلفزيون واشوف الصور بتاعه الشوارع في مصر، كل جمهورية مصر العربية فلة نظيفة وفلة والدنيا رايقة. يا رب ان احنا نتعود ان احنا نشوف الدنيا نظيفة قدامنا، عشان ما نرميش حاجة في الأرض. مصر جميلة، والأرض الرصيف يجنن. يا رب المصريين يتعلموا ما يرموش في الشارع، وما يرموش هنا وما يعملوش هنا. فيا رب يا رب. أنا طبعا أنا مقصرة، أنا متهيألي إنكم عارفين كلكم إن أنا كنت بمشي من أبو ظبي وباجي هنا في هيوستن، فأول مرة أحط ميك اب وأعمل شعري لمدة شهرين يمكن. بس قلت النهارده لازم اقابلكم مخصوص واقول لكم كل سنه وانتم طيبين. خليني ارجع تاني اتكلم بالانجليزي، عشان انا واثقه ان المصريين بيتكلموا والعرب كلهم بيتكلموا انجليزي، بس الانجليز ما بيتكلموش عربي. اوكي، كل سنه وانتم طيبين، رمضان كريم علينا وعلى المسلمين اجمعين يا رب. Okay, I'm done with the Arabic, and I wish all the greetings for everyone in the entire world, Muslim and fasting. And I'm sorry I was so busy the last. You have to know something about me, which the people know me, they know what I'm going to say. When I move in, I cannot sleep till I finish everything. I get so tired, I get so nasty, and my hair everywhere, and my nails are bad, because I need to finish. The priority is the house. So I think now we are almost there. I don't want to show you my beauty room. It's much more smaller than my previous one in Abu Dhabi, because Abu Dhabi we had beautiful apartment, huge, old one but huge one. But still I try to, and it's tricky, the walls, but I try to put all what I like. And I have another closet in the master bedroom. I put some stuff there too, because I cannot put everything here. So I'm still waiting for new things, not that many, but new things. But I will not show you till I'm done with that. But today I bought some stuff from Dior. I miss my SA and my friend Natasha in Abu Dhabi. I hate to shop without her. She's the best. If you live in Abu Dhabi, please go to the Galleria and go to Natasha there. She is the best. I miss you so much, and I hope you are safe. I bought the stuff unfortunately online. For now I have quite a bit of shoes collection and maybe small leather good, but mainly shoes and my bag, my 2 bags. Maybe after that, if you like me to do a collection with what I have from Dior or from Prada, wherever the brand. I don't have lots of things, but if you like or try the shoes I get, it's up to you, let me know. But this time, and of course the packages as always, and this beautiful, I couldn't resist it. It's a small thing. I didn't open it at all for like over a month. This stuff I bought it over the last 3-4 months, but it's not all the same time, because my husband will kill me, especially we are moving in and we have lots of stuff to buy. So anyway, I love those stars. They are so pretty. So the first box I bought, of course the box, you know, the Toile, I think, Toile de Jouy, the line and stuff. It's beautiful. And of course the wrapping, as everybody knew about Dior. I hate to open it, but I think I should do. Yeah. Okay, this is what I bought. How pretty. It's not book, believe it or not. And I couldn't resist it. Let me have a look. Oh, I have to open it. It's all in the plastic. But I love this design. However, I don't think I will buy anything from this design, but I don't know. It's so beautiful. I love red, of course, as you know. And what is here? Here the line and the snake. Can you see that? Is that focus, please? Yeah. It's a beautiful design, the Dior in gold here. It's beautiful. And of course it's here too. And I think in the end, I think it's empty pages. Yeah, it's empty pages, but of course they have the Dior in the, can you see it? Sorry about my nails. My nails are not so good. Yeah, I love it. This is the first thing. Another one as well, the same box. Believe it or not, you're calling me crazy. I know. But I couldn't resist. I don't know if I will use them or no, actually. But maybe I will put them as decorations. Maybe. Same box, same everything. but inside is you won't believe me. I put the other one in navy or blue. I couldn't. They are so pretty. They are so pretty. The same everything but blue. And here the page are in gold. Yeah, and it's empty, and they have this, what do you call it? I don't know what you call it, this thing. And of course here it's yours as well. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Yeah, and it's so beautiful. I can put them on my, yeah, I have to. Lucky me. Other one, different packaging. I love it too. Oops, sorry, my star. I don't know if it's, I don't want to talk about this coronavirus actually. I think everybody get fed up from it. Follow the rules, and this is all what we can do. I sleep on it, I wake up on it. It's not worth it. The same, and I think for you as well. I don't think you like to talk about it too. You get lots of I think I have all the notepads or the block note from Dior. I think so. Call me crazy. Call me crazy. I know. Oops. It's cute though. Cute. This is different. This is as the heart. I hope it's in focus. Focus, please. Are you focusing? Yes. Beautiful, right? And here, I don't know what is inside actually. It's again, it's the Dior there and the empty. I thought maybe I will put it in my purses. You know, it's cute. Actually, sometimes I'm lazy, believe it or not, to use my phone, and sometimes I love to have. See, they are cute. I like them, and they are on the website. I don't mind them at all. They are so nice. And I bought something. Let me show you, Jose. Let me open it with you as well. This one, beautiful packaging. For my, you can see it or no, my Dior Oblique lunch box. Dior Oblique box. I will show it to you next time, because yeah, it's a small leather good. In the pouch, of course. You see, I don't know, nobody talked about those. This one slot here, and of course all leather, and here, and one slot there. It's oblique, but all leather. It's very soft, very nice, and tiny for my oblique. If you want me, like I told you, if you want me to do all my collection, I can do that for you. And that's it. I will try to film more and vlog more. Yeah, maybe it will be, I have, I think, more time now. I love you so much. Ramadan Kareem, and see you soon. Bye.